Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to do an example related to if-else-if statement. Now in this example, what we're going to do is based on a position we are running a 5K and what position you have scored in that race. Based upon that, you will get a specific medal, right? So if you scored first position, you are going to get a gold medal. If you scored second position, then you're going to get a silver medal. And if you are scoring the third position, you are going to get a bronze medal. And if you have not scored any of those positions, you are not going to got any medal. So this is what our example would do. So the first thing we will need a variable to store what position did we score. Okay, so what we are going to do is I'm going to create integer variable and I will call it as integer. The name of the variable is place, and by default we're gonna set the value of place to be equals to 1. Then also going to create another variable, and this is going to be a string variable and it's going to store what color medal I get. Medal color. Now based upon the position, I will get different color for the medal. So if what we're going to do is if the place is equals to 1, so we are checking here if the value of the place is equals to 1 means I scored, then in means I scored position 1. Then in that case, medal color would be what? Would be equals to gold. So this is what I'm going to get, this score number 1 position. Else if that is not going to be true, then we are going to check the place value equals to 2. And if that case, else if place is equals to 2, and in that case the medal color is equals to silver. Then the next thing would be else if I am checking for place 3 position, place equals to 3. If that is correct, then in that case would be medal color would be bronze. So I'll get a bronze medal, right? So I'm going to go ahead and initialize it to bronze. And if I haven't got any of these, then in that case, that what will I do? I am going to get with no, nothing will get be there. Else medal color equals to, we don't have to do this because by default is going to be null, because if you don't specify the value of the variable, automatically it becomes null. So it is not necessary to write this statement, but just for my purpose I have written this statement, null. I'm going to say that if none of the position comes, if the place equals to number 4 or number 5, then in that case medal color would be equals to null. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and write a debug statement, and here I will say you have scored, then what scored, I'm going to go ahead and display the medal color. So if you scored number one position, medal color would be gold. If you scored number two position, it will be silver. And if you have third position, it will be bronze. And then I'm going to go ahead and add and saying that medal. And then I'm going to say is congratulations. Then what is going to happen here is, in this case, the position that I scored is number one. So we are saying that number one, in that case, the medal color would be gold. So what will be the output of the programs? It will say, you have scored gold medal, congratulations. So this is what will be the output of the program. So what will be the output? You have scored first this line, and medal colored would be what? Gold, because gold is because you have scored first position. Place is equals to 1. So this block will get executed. And in this block, medal color is equals to gold. This will get executed. And this all this will be skipped. So that's why the output of the program would be, you have scored gold medal, congratulations. So let's see if we are correct. So now we are going to go ahead and hit the execute button. We'll go to debug only. And you guessed it right, you have scored gold medal. Congratulations. So this is what you get. So now let's say if the position is 2. If you have scored 2 position, then in that case, if block is wrong, if place is equals to 1, this is false. If place is equals to 2, yes. So now in this case, this block will not get executed. Place value is equals to 2. So place is equals to 2. Now this block will get executed. Now the medal color would equals to silver. So what will be the output of the program? This block will get executed and rest of the block will skip. So output of the program would be, you have scored silver medal, congratulations. So now let's go ahead and execute this. Now we'll go ahead and select the debug only. You have scored silver medal, congratulations. So this is going to be the output. Now if you change it to, let's say 3, and it will go to this block and it say you have scored bronze medal. And if you say that you have got the place fourth, and in this case none of these going to be executed because all the blocks are false. This is false, this is false, and this is false. So the last one which is left, this, automatically it will come here. You have scored null, which is basically with null medal, and it should say instead of null, I'm going to say no medal. Okay, this is what is going to be displayed. So this is going to be the output. So it will say you have scored no medal, and then okay, congratulations. Let's execute this. Go to debug only. You have scored no medal. Congratulations. So it's another way of doing it is after this. Okay, I'm just going to print these lines. So here, so here, if medal color is not equals to null, then in that case, what will happen is system dot of debug, you have scored plus, and I display the value of whatever the color is, color of the medal I received. And here I'm going to say medal, and then I'm going to say congrats. Else I'm going to say system.debug, you have not scored top 3 position. Please try next time. So in this case, what will happen here is, let's go ahead and look at it. So the first time what's gonna happen is if place is equals to 1, then in that case place equals to 1, automatically the medal color is equals to gold. So the flow will come to this line and it will get printed, and then it is going to check if the medal color is not equals to null. What will be the medal color? It's equals to gold. So this is true. In this case, the if block will get execute and it will say you have scored gold medal, congrats. So for the first 3 blocks, if any of these 3 blocks executed, this part of the if block will run. But if the position is equals to 4, 5 or anything besides this top 3, in that case medal color is equals to null, and here in this case this condition is come out to be false, and then it will execute the else part and it will say you have not scored top 3 position, please try next time. So now if I change it to 4, let's see what should be the output of program. So the output of the program according to me, since the place equals to 4, 4 equals to 1, this is false. This condition meets, this also not meets, this condition also not meets, else. So the medal color equals to null. Now what we are checking? We are checking if the medal color is it equals to null. So in this case, medal color is equals to null. Medal color is equals to null. So this block will not executed, the else block will get executed and it will print you have not scored top 3 position, please try next time. So this line should get executed. So let's verify. I'm going to go ahead and hit the execute button. Null, okay. Now we'll get execute. Let's see what will be the output. Go to debug only. You have not scored top 3 position. Please try next time. So this will be the output. Our assumption is correct. So now if I change this place to 3, now what will happen? The output we'll get is you have scored bronze medal. Congrats. Let's hit the execute button and see the output. Go to debug only. You have scored bronze medal. Congrats. So this is going to be the output of the program. So this is the another example related to if else if statement. In real time, you will use if else if lot of times. So please be attentive in this lecture. If you have any questions, please go ahead and see the lecture one more time. Okay, so we'll in the next tutorial we're going to discuss couple of more examples. Till then, bye. Have a good day.